Hi everyone, welcome to another Ballet For All Tutorials. Today's video is sponsored by Energetiks. Energetiks is an Australian brand that makes amazing dance wear. I will leave the link for their website down below in the description of this video. And now saying that, let's learn to do Sauté in first, second and fifth position. In ballet, Sauté translates to jumps and it can be seen often used with another terms. For example, grand battement sauté, which means grand battement with jump, or arabesque sauté, which is a arabesque that jumps. Now, today you're going to learn to jump in the most basic forms, which is going to be the first position of legs. To do Sauté in first position, you're going to the center, first position of legs and legs straight. You're going to have hands on your hips, and then you're going to bend your knee, demi-plie. You're going to push the floor while straightening your legs and pointing your toes. Awesome. Now make sure that when you land, you roll through the demi-point to make sure that we do a soft land. Now, a specific characteristic about the Cuban ballet school, it's that when we do sauté, legs stay together the entire time. Now that we know how to do sauté in first position, with your hands on the hips, you're going to do battement and to the side, and you're going to do second position of legs. This jump is going to be exactly the same. The only thing is that your legs are going to straighten and point your toes at the same level of your hips. We are going to begin by doing demi-plie, push the floor, and remember to roll through your feet and soft land. Now we are going to do a battement and your right leg is going to close in a fifth position. So remember, toes and heels are together. Now from here, the process is the same. The only difference is that I want to see one leg with two heels. So we are going to squeeze legs together, point toes, and the only thing that you see is two heels, but just one foot pointed. Can we see that? So we are going to bend knee, push, cross, and land back. So now that you know how to do sauté in first position, second position and fifth position, let's do a combination of sauté so you can practice at home. So we are going to begin in first position of legs, arms on brava, and with the music we are going to do 5, 6, 7 plie on 8. One more time, 5, 6, 7 plie. Next we are going to do releve 1, demi-plie in 2, jump 3, 4, battement and do 5, 6, 7 plie. And 1 and 2 and jump, jump. 5, 6, 7 plie, releve. Remember the leg that is in front, squeeze up and plie. And 1 jump, 2 jumps. Dandy with right and close to the back, and we change with left in front. And we are going to repeat the same. Demi-plie in 8, releve in 1, demi-plie in 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, first position. Now I'm going to do it with music, but if you need to pause the video and go back and practice one more time the combination without music, do so and then join me. Now I'm going to do it with music. First position, 5, 6, 7 plie, releve, plie, jump, jump, dandy, second, 5, 6, 7 plie, releve, plie, jump, jump, dandy, fifth position, 5, 6, 7 plie, releve, 1, 2, dandy, change to the back, 7 plie, releve, plie, jump, jump, dandy, first position,